Question 1 is, what is an adjective? Answer 1 is a word that describes a noun. Question 2 is, which of these is an adjective? Answer 2 is tall. Question 3 is, which adjective is in the comparative degree? Answer 3 is better. Question 4 is, choose the adjective in this sentence. She has a beautiful dress. Answer 4 is beautiful. Question 5 is, which is an example of a superlative adjective? Answer 5 is smallest. Question 6 is, what is the comparative form of big? Answer 6 is bigger. Question 7 is, identify the adjective, the sun is bright. Answer 7 is bright. Question 8 is, which of these is the superlative form of fast? Answer 8 is fastest. Question 9 is, what is the comparative form of good? Answer 9 is better. Question 10 is, which of the following is a correct example of an adjective? Answer 10 is big. Question 11 is, what does the adjective slow describe? Answer 11 is a noun. Question 12 is, choose the superlative adjective, this is the most interesting book. Answer 12 is most interesting. Question 13 is, which sentence uses the adjective correctly? Answer 13 is, she ran quickly. Question 14 is, what is the adjective in the chair is comfortable? Answer 14 is comfortable. Question 15 is, which of these is the correct form of the adjective happy? Answer 15 is happier. Question 16 is, what is the comparative form of tall? Answer 16 is taller. Question 17 is, choose the adjective, the little girl sings beautifully. Answer 17 is little. Question 18 is, what is the superlative form of large? Answer 18 is largest. Question 19 is, which adjective is in the positive degree? Answer 19 is strong. Question 20 is, which of these adjectives is in the comparative degree? Answer 20 is more beautiful. Question 21 is, what is the superlative form of high? Answer 21 is highest. Question 22 is, which of these is not an adjective? Answer 22 is run. Question 23 is, which adjective means having a great height? Answer 23 is tall. Question 24 is, what is the comparative form of strong? Answer 24 is stronger. Question 25 is, choose the correct adjective. This is the core table. Answer 25 is faster. Question 26 is, what is the superlative form of old? Answer 26 is oldest. Question 27 is, which adjective describes size? Answer 27 is big. Question 28 is, which is the comparative form of smart? Answer 28 is smarter. Question 29 is, what is the positive degree of sweeter? Answer 29 is sweet. Question 30 is, choose the correct superlative form. This is the dash book I have ever read. Answer 30 is, most interesting. Question 31 is, what is the correct adjective for the following sentence? Answer 31 is, most beautiful. Question 32 is, which of these adjectives is in the comparative degree? Answer 32 is, farther. Question 33 is, what is the superlative form of easy? Answer 33 is, easiest. Question 34 is, what is the correct comparative adjective? This is the gourd of table. Answer 34 is, bigger. Question 35 is, which adjective shows the highest degree of comparison? Answer 35 is, smallest. Question 36 is, choose the correct adjective. Answer 36 is, taller. Question 37 is, what is the superlative form of pretty? Answer 37 is, prettiest. Question 38 is, what is the comparative form of high? Answer 38 is, higher. Question 39 is, which sentence uses an adjective correctly? Answer 39 is, he runs faster than her. Question 40 is, choose the correct adjective. Answer 40 is, bigger. Question 41 is, what is the adjective in the sentence, the cat is black? Answer 41 is, black. Question 42 is, which is the correct form of the adjective small? Answer 42 is, smaller. Question 43 is, what is the correct superlative form of good? Answer 43 is, best. Question 44 is, which adjective is used to compare two things? Answer 44 is, comparative. Question 45 is, what is the comparative form of bad? Answer 45 is, worse. Question 46 is, what is the positive form of more interesting? Answer 46 is, interesting. Question 47 is, what is the superlative form of cold? Answer 47 is, coldest. Question 48 is, what is the comparative form of heavy? Answer 48 is, heavier. Question 49 is, what is the superlative form of fast? Answer 49 is, fastest. Question 50 is, what is the adjective in the sentence, she is a kind girl? Answer 50 is, kind.